Synchronizing Drosophila to define circadian times is the first step in studying events that either control or respond to the biological clock. Synchronization of other models will follow the same basic approach.
There are many steps to do this protocol, and it may seem overwhelming to put them all together. Expect to try a few times before it feels natural. Keep temperatures stable and unwanted light out during entrainment steps.
Prepare the fly food in a crock pot at 121 degrees Celsius, mixing as ingredients are added. Cover the crock pot and bring the contents to a rolling boil, mixing the contents every 10 minutes. After 20 minutes at a rolling boil, turn off the heat and add 83.6 milliliters of water to the crock pot. Leave the lid off as the food cools. While the food is cooling, stir it every 10 minutes to avoid allowing a film to form on the top. Also, measure the temperature every 10 minutes with a glass thermometer. Once the food has cooled to below 60 degrees Celsius, add Tegacept and propionic acid as described in the manuscript. Mix well and adjust the crock pot to maintain a temperature just a few degrees less than 60 degrees Celsius. Use a peristaltic pump to distribute the fly food. For narrow vials, pump 10 milliliters, and for 6-ounce square-bottom bottles, pump 60 milliliters.